Good afternoon, students. In chapter 11, that is force and pressure, we already known about the what is force and what are its effects. After that, we have discussed about classification of force. In that, we already know about force is classified into two types: contact force and non-contact force. In contact force we have already discussed. Now in today's class we are going to discuss about the non-contact force. Okay, in some forces do not involve the physical contact between two objects on which they act. कुछ फोर्स होते हैं जो फिजिकल कांटेक्ट की उनको नीड नहीं होती है when they are acting on any object. They act through the space between them. Such forces are called non-contact forces. Okay, so non-contact forces are forces that can act even when objects are not in physical contact with each other and bring about changes. Non-contact force में if suppose object is moving but you don't know, without applying your physical contact, you need not to be apply any physical contact to push the object, automatically these objects can be moved. So this we will discuss one by one. So the classification of non-contact force is magnetic force, electrostatic force and gravitational force. Non-contact force is of three types: magnetic, electrostatic and gravitational force. First we will see about the magnetic forces. See students, this is a bar magnet and these are some iron clips. If you bring this iron bar near to these iron clips, okay, if you bring this magnet bar near to these iron clips, what will happen? These clips will automatically get attracted towards the magnet bar. This is called the magnetic force. Here we have not applied the any physical contact. If you keep this magnet near to these iron clips, automatically they will get attracted to this magnet. This is called the magnetic force. Now we will move on the second type of force, that is the electrostatic force. When you bring a plastic comb close to a heap of small pieces of paper, nothing happen. Okay, do this activity at home. Take some pieces of papers and take one comb. Okay, bring this comb near to the pieces of paper, nothing will happen. Okay, but if you comb your hair several times with the help of this comb, अगर आप इस comb से कुछ टाइम तक अपने बालों में अगर बाल बनाएंगी या several times with your dry hair, okay, and bring it near, after applying the comb in your hair 6 to 7 times, bring this comb near to these papers, what will happen? They are attracted by the comb. This is because on rubbing the comb gets charged, and since the charge is produced due to rubbing of comb and remains there without any movement, it is called the electrostatic force. The charge which is produced in the comb is called the electrostatic force, and due to this electrostatic force these papers will get attracted towards the comb. Okay, now we'll move on the third type of force, that is gravitational force. Okay, gravitational force you have already learned in your previous classes also. So in every day or in every object in this universe attracts every other objects with a certain force. Okay, the force with which two objects attract each other is called the force of gravitation. The best example we can take, suppose if you are throwing a ball upside, what will happen? Upward. If you throw a ball upward side, what will happen? It will again fall down on the ground. Why this happens? Because the force of earth or the gravity of earth pulls the object towards down. वो उसे अपने नीचे की ओर ही वापस अट्रैक्ट करता है. So this ball after moving upward up to certain height, again it will come back towards the earth surface due to the gravitational force. Okay, so in other words, objects or things fall towards the earth because the earth attracts them. Okay, so earth attracts them. This force of attraction exerted by the earth on any object is called the force of gravity or gravity. Okay, the force of gravity is acted on all objects which are present on the earth. Okay students, this is all about the different types of non-contact forces that we are facing in our day-to-day life. Okay, in every day. Okay, I hope you understand students. About pressure we will discuss in our next class. Thank you students, have a nice day.